In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the toolbar in Google Chrome. Whether you're looking to streamline your browsing experience or simply want a more personalized interface, tweaking your toolbar can make a world of difference. Let's jump right in and take a closer look at how you can adjust the settings to suit your specific needs. First, open a new tab in Chrome and you'll notice a pencil icon or a button labeled Customize Chrome located towards the bottom right corner. Go ahead and click on that. This action will open up a side panel where you have all the options for customization at your fingertips. Once the side panel appears, look for and click on the section labeled Toolbar. Here, you'll find a variety of toggle switches that correspond to different toolbar features. Let's go through each option to understand what they do so you can decide which elements you want to keep visible and which you might want to hide. The first feature you'll come across is the Bookmarks bar. This handy option lets you show or hide the bookmarks bar that sits just below the address bar. If you frequently visit certain sites, keeping this bar visible can save you time by providing quick access to your bookmarked pages. Next, there's the side panel button. By toggling this on or off, you control the visibility of the side panel icon, which is useful if you often use side panel extensions or bookmarks. You'll also see the option for the reading list. If you like to save articles or web pages to read later, enabling the reading list button may be of great benefit. Otherwise, you can choose to keep things tidy by hiding it. The home button is another feature you can toggle. Enabling this will display a home icon, usually used to quickly navigate back to your designated homepage. Finally, you'll find the extensions menu. This controls the visibility of the extensions icon. It's a helpful way to organize your extensions, and you may want it visible if you like quick access to these tools. Once you've reviewed and adjusted these options to your liking, you can turn each toggle on or off based on which tools you want to appear on your toolbar. It's quite straightforward, just a simple click to personalize your toolbar. After you've made your selections, exit the Customize Chrome panel. The changes you made will update instantly, presenting you with a tailored browsing environment. As an additional tip, you might notice a puzzle icon on your toolbar. This is where you can manage individual extensions. Clicking on this icon will allow you to pin or unpin extensions by tapping the pin icon next to each one, showing or hiding them as you prefer. And there you have it, a fully customized toolbar in Google Chrome. Enjoy your newly personalized browsing experience.